the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal